Someone is craving this relationship. Someone is dying because of being in the relationship. Someone's heart beats for this love. Someone's soul dies without it. One loves too much. One loves too little. The dance of love and heartache. Love is a flame that burns. For some, it's the only reason to live. For others, a reason to dive into deeper pain. In this love story, someone's the hero. Someone's the heartbreak. Someone's forever is now. Someone's now is forever lost. Someone is trying hard to fit into this relationship. Someone is trying hard to get rid of this relationship. Someone's whispered promise glows brighter than the stars in that enchanted window. Stars watch the secret moments shared in a cozy window. Under endless stars, two souls find their glow in a window. A star-filled sky watches someone's tender moment inside a warm window. In the night's canvas, a window holds a love story among stars. In a glowing window, someone writes love verses beneath a tapestry of stars. Love shines brighter than the night sky, framed in a window. The window becomes a poetic stage for someone, illuminated by love and a crazy spark.